Just woke up to this news. JLo and Arod have released a statement and confirmed they are officially over. In their joint statement to today, they've said they are better as friends. Their full statement read, "We have realized we are better as friends and look forward to remaining so. We will continue to work together and support each other on our shared businesses and projects. We wish the best for each other and one another's children." Out of respect for them, the only other comment we have to say is thank you to everyone who has sent kind words and support. This is sad, sending them both love and support.